Let us start working on some problems based on data handling. This is the problem number 1. Let us start solving this. See, following graph represent the number of cotton filled with oranges in 4 days of a week sold by a vendor, right? So this particular graph is going to represent the number of cotton filled with the oranges in 4 days of week sold by a vendor, right? Now what we are supposed to find out, if a vendor still remain with 25 oranges in a carton, then what was the number of oranges at the beginning? So Monday, how much he has, that is what we need to find out at the beginning, right? So now each dot represents 15 oranges. So let us also calculate here. Monday, how much? There are 2 dots, that is 2 into 15, which is going to be 30, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Wednesday, so 3 dots are there, that is going to be into 15, so which is going to 45, right? Then Friday, which is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there, 6 into 15, 15 6 are 90. And Sunday, so which is going to be 4 into 15, so that is going to 15 4 is 60. So let me add it here, 5, so 6 plus 4 is 10, 19, 22, so 225 the oranges is able to sell, the vendor is able to sell. But again 25 oranges left are still remain in the carton, that is we need to add here 225 plus 25, which is going to be 250. So the question is, what if vendor still remain 25 oranges in a carton, then what was the number of oranges at the beginning? At the beginning there are around 250 oranges. Monday is able to sell 30, so Wednesday 45, Friday 90 and 60, so 225 is able to sell. So plus it is 25 still remains, so answer here is 250. Option C is the right one.